Hit that red subscribe button along with the bell icon so you will get notification each time a new video goes live on my channel.
Hey guys, this is Sandy and back with a new video. So this is a hard drive. I have been using this hard drive for almost 2 years now, and now as I have started YouTube, so I need a lot of space for all my raw footage and all the post-processed videos to save for later use or just casual watching. But 1 TB is not sufficient. As a YouTuber, as a gamer, as a photographer, you need space, a lot of space. So I got a new hard drive. So let's unbox that hard drive in this video. Coming up. So this is our new hard drive. Let's open the box first. So opening up the box, we get bubble wrap and our hard drive. Let's get the box right. Take the bubble wrap off. The all new WD My Passport 1TB hard drive, and the packaging is good as usual and expected. So it has got a few features listed on the front and the back. Just a moment. Yeah, you can see that. So let's open the hard drive. So we got a new bagged seal here. Got the seal. Open the box. Check the hard drive out. Wow. So I got this hard drive in a red color, and there are a few color options available to choose from. So let's open this up. Whoa. Okay. So first thing that popped out of the box was a red cable. This is a USB. Let me just show you. This is the USB 3 and USB type A on this end. And next thing in the box is a card. So this is an help card. If you face any problem setting up your hard drive, you can just go to this address. That will solve your problem. Next thing is a big, oh man, who raised this, man? Anyways, let's keep this aside. Finally, we get our hands on the all new Western Digital My Passport 1TB hard drive. So we'll be having a 360 look of this hard drive. So guys, that's it for this quick unboxing and hands-on. So if you want me to just put some benchmark and compare this with my 1TB old transient hard drive, give this video a huge like and comment down below what you want to see about this hard drive, or you got any questions, just let me know in the comments. And if you like this video, give this video a huge thumbs up and do consider subscribing to my channel if you are new here.